Hello everyone, welcome back to QA Online Academy. I hope you've all mastered Python iterators from our last session. They are the key to smooth data traversal. Today we're zooming out to look at the bigger picture, Python modules. This is how we keep our code organized, professional, and reusable. Let's get started. So what exactly is a module? Simply put, it's like a code library. It's a file containing a set of functions that you want to include in your application to keep things tidy and efficient. To create a module, just save your code in a file with the .p-y extension. For example, we'll save this greeting function in a file named mymodule.p-y. To use it, we use the import statement. Notice the syntax. Module name, then a dot, then the function name. Here, we're welcoming Jonathan using our new module. Modules aren't just for functions. They can store variables of all types, arrays, dictionaries, or objects. We can access the person1 dictionary from our module just as easily. You can also give your module an alias to save time. By using the as keyword during import, you can create a shorter name or handle name conflicts effortlessly. Python has many powerful built-in modules like platform. Here we're using it to identify the operating system we're working on. These are ready for you to use at any time. If you're ever curious about what's inside a module, use the built-in dir function. It will list every function and variable name defined within that module. Finally, if you only need one specific part of a module, use the from keyword. This allows you to import just what you need, like our person1 dictionary, without loading the entire module. Time for a quick challenge. Open PyCharm, import the platform module, and use the dir function to see everything it has to offer. I'll give you 10 seconds. Go! Time's up. Here is the solution. By printing the result of dir on the platform module, you get a full list of its capabilities. Well done to everyone who tried it. That wraps up our session on Python modules. Practice creating and importing your own modules today. It's a great habit for clean coding. Next time, we'll dive into Python dates. Keep practicing, subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok, and visit us at qaonlineacademy.com for more. Don't forget to leave your feedback. See you soon.